The world of motoring is changing. The familiar roar of the combustion engine is slowly being replaced. In its place is a new sound. A gentle hum signifies the arrival of electric cars. These vehicles are not just a fad, they are the future. Alongside this electric revolution, another transformation is taking place. Cars are learning to drive themselves. This is the dawn of the autonomous vehicle. These self-driving cars promise to change the way we travel. Buckle up, because the future of motoring is going to be an exciting ride. In this presentation, we will move right into the fascinating world of electric and self-driving cars. We will explore the latest trends, marvel at cutting-edge technology, and consider the challenges that lie ahead. So come with me as we navigate the electrifying road ahead. The electric car market is experiencing phenomenal growth. In 2024 alone, over 17 million electric vehicles were sold globally. This marks a significant increase from the previous year. It signifies a growing global appetite for cleaner, more sustainable transportation. The United States, a traditional bastion of gas guzzlers, is also witnessing a shift towards electric vehicles. In 2024, over 1.3 million EVs were sold in the US. This represents an increase of 7.3% from the previous year. While this is impressive, it is essential to remember that EVs still represent a small fraction of total car sales. There are several reasons for this surge in EV popularity. These include growing concerns about climate change, advancements in battery technology, and government incentives. As we delve deeper into this topic, we will explore these factors in greater detail. Governments worldwide are playing a crucial role in promoting the adoption of electric vehicles. They are doing this through a combination of incentives and regulations. One of the most common incentives is the tax credit. For example, in the United States, buyers of eligible electric vehicles can receive a federal tax credit of up to $7,500. This makes EVs more affordable and encourages consumers to make the switch. However, it is worth noting that the Trump administration has hinted at potential changes to these incentives, creating some uncertainty in the market. In addition to tax credits, some governments are setting ambitious targets for EV adoption. California, a state known for its progressive environmental policies, aims to have 100% of new car sales be electric by 2035. This ambitious target is a testament to the state's commitment to combating climate change. It also sets a precedent for other states and countries to follow. Tax credits, as we have seen, are a powerful tool for boosting EV sales. They make electric vehicles more affordable for consumers, especially those who may be hesitant to make the switch due to the higher upfront cost of EVs compared to traditional gasoline-powered cars. However, the recent changes to the U.S. federal tax credit eligibility criteria have caused a stir in the market. The Inflation Reduction Act, while well-intentioned, has significantly reduced the number of vehicles that qualify for the full $7,500 tax credit. This has led to some confusion among consumers and could potentially slow down EV adoption in the short term. Despite these challenges, the long-term outlook for the EV market remains positive. Technological advancements continue to drive down battery costs, making EVs increasingly affordable. Furthermore, the growing awareness of climate change and the need to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels are driving consumers towards more sustainable transportation options. Notable electric contenders. The electric vehicle market is becoming increasingly competitive, with a wide range of models available to suit different needs and budgets. From sleek sedans to rugged pickup trucks, there's an EV for everyone. One of the most anticipated electric vehicles of recent times is the Tesla Cybertruck. With its futuristic design and impressive performance capabilities, the Cybertruck has generated a lot of buzz. Other notable EV models include the Ford F-150 Lightning, an electric version of America's best-selling pickup truck, and the Rivian R1T, a stylish and capable electric adventure vehicle. These are just a few examples of the many exciting electric vehicles available in the market today. As battery technology continues to improve and manufacturing costs decrease, we can expect to see even more innovative and affordable EVs hitting the roads in the years to come. The autonomous frontier. While the electric revolution is well underway, another automotive revolution is quietly brewing: the rise of self-driving cars. Autonomous vehicles equipped with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence promise to transform the way we travel. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are leading the charge in autonomous vehicle development. Tesla, in particular, has made significant strides with its autopilot and full self-driving systems, though it's important to note that these systems are still not fully autonomous and require driver supervision. The development and deployment of autonomous vehicles are not without their challenges. Safety concerns, regulatory hurdles, and ethical considerations are just some of the issues that need to be addressed before self-driving cars become a common sight on our roads. However, the potential benefits of autonomous vehicles, from increased safety to reduced traffic congestion, are too significant to ignore. Obstacles on the road to electrification. The transition to an electric future is not without its bumps in the road. Several challenges need to be addressed before EVs can become the dominant form of transportation. One of the biggest challenges is the lack of charging infrastructure. While the number of public charging stations is increasing, it is still not enough to meet the needs of a rapidly growing EV fleet. This is particularly problematic in rural areas and on long-distance journeys. Range anxiety, the fear of running out of charge before reaching a charging station, remains a major concern for potential EV buyers. Another challenge is the cost of batteries. While battery prices have been declining steadily, they still account for a significant portion of the overall cost of an EV. This makes EVs less affordable for the average consumer. Furthermore, the environmental impact of battery production and disposal needs to be carefully considered. The inevitable rise of EVs and AVs. Despite the challenges, the long-term outlook for electric and autonomous vehicles is bright. The technological advancements we are witnessing today are paving the way for a future where transportation is cleaner, safer, and more efficient. Governments worldwide are committed to reducing greenhouse gas emissions and combating climate change. The transportation sector is a major contributor to these emissions, making the transition to electric vehicles essential. As battery technology continues to improve and costs decline, EVs will become increasingly accessible to the masses. This will lead to a virtuous cycle of increased demand, driving further innovation and cost reductions. Meanwhile, the development of autonomous vehicles continues at a rapid pace. While fully autonomous vehicles are still some years away, the technology is advancing rapidly. Self-driving features like adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist are already becoming commonplace in modern vehicles, paving the way for a future where driving is less stressful and more convenient. Onwards to an electric future. The future of motoring is electric and autonomous. While challenges remain, the momentum behind these technologies is undeniable. The transition to electric vehicles is not a question of if, but when. As we move towards this exciting future, several key trends will shape the automotive landscape. These include the development of even more powerful and efficient batteries, the expansion of charging infrastructure, the integration of artificial intelligence and connectivity features in vehicles, and the ongoing evolution of self-driving technology. The road ahead may be long and winding, but the destination is clear. The future of motoring is electrifying, and it's a journey worth taking. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to encourage us to continue to produce more content for you.